The appointed time of the midnight cry of the parable of Matthew 25 is upon us. And at midnight there was a cry made, Behold, the bridegroom cometh, go ye out to meet him. On March 5th, on the heavenly canvas, comet C 2017 K2 Pan-STARRS marks the midnight hour on the horologium constellation, the pendulum clock that announces the coming of Jesus as King. It is the time for the virgins to arise, trim their lamps, and join the procession to go out to meet the bridegroom. The sign of the Son of Man, foretold by Jesus to appear at the time of his coming, begins to be painted shortly thereafter on March 12 by the paths of comet C 2022 E3 ZTF and C 2017 K2 Pan-STARRS. This sign, which contains Jesus' kingly signature and seals his people, is the provision that he has given for our sustenance at this time, the ark of safety through the stormy time ahead. The call given by Jesus in Revelation 18:4 goes forth, Come out of her, my people, that ye be not partakers of her sins, and that ye receive not of her plagues. Let us enter into this ark of truth, orchestrated by the Creator himself, and abide in the presence of the Lord, receiving his teaching and guidance to secure our steps. We invite you to read all the studies that have been published on the website www.whitecloudfarm.org about this sign and much more, so that his coming does not come upon you unawares, and you will receive the hope and strength that it bestows. And then shall appear the sign of the Son of Man in heaven, and then shall all the tribes of the earth mourn, and they shall see the Son of Man coming in the clouds of heaven with power and great glory.